For the love of all that is holy, do not pour that brine down the drain, my fellow pickle fiending friends. It still has so much more pickly goodness left to give to you. You could, for instance, picklefy your Friday night pregame drink ritual by slamming some pickleback shots with a few of your closest friends, then sip on some classy, extra dirty pickle brine martinis topped, of course, by a cute little cornichon, before hitting the clubs in the search for an entirely different kind of pickle, perhaps. Cure your hangover the next morning with a little hair of the dog in the form of a Bloody Mary spiked with, you guessed it, more of that pickle brine. When it comes to actually cooking with it, pickle brine makes a great substitute for vinegar or citrus juice in any of your favorite recipes. It is a little less acidic than a typical vinegar, sitting at a roughly 3.5 pH, while vinegars tend to be more in the range of 2.4 to 3, so you may still want to incorporate just a little splash of a stronger acid along with it. One of my favorite recipes in this category is a dill pickle vinaigrette, made by combining 3 parts olive oil with 1 part pickle brine, a half part grainy mustard, and a sprinkle of fresh finely chopped dill. You can also make a great pickle brine mayonnaise by swapping out most of the lemon juice in the Serious Eats mayo recipe to slather your sandwiches with. By far, the best way to put this Ambrosian liquid nectar of the pickle gods to good use, however, is to brine meat like chicken with it. The best sandwich on the menu of any restaurant I have ever worked at consisted of pickle brine chicken seared to crispy goodness, then slapped on a roll with mayo, arugula, the chicken itself, bacon, and some fennel bell pepper slaw. If you want the juicy deets on how to make it, you can check the description below for a link to my video on it, as well as all of the measurements for the recipes that I've talked about on my video today. And hey, while you're down there, maybe give this video a like or subscribe to the channel. It really helps out small YouTubers like me, and I would really appreciate it. Until next time, later nerds.